How to switch account on Instagram. To switch account between multiple Instagram account, you have to follow these steps. First thing first, launch or open the Instagram application, login. The next thing you want to do is click the profile initials from the bottom right hand side corner. Then at the top left hand side corner, you could see your username. So when you click on this arrow icon, you could see a list of options available. If you don't have an account, then you could see a different interface. Since I have multiple accounts, so I can go ahead and just tap on it and then switch it on, just like that. When I do it, so this is how it actually works. And similarly, as I mentioned before, that if you have not logged in anytime, then you want to go ahead and click on this add Instagram account. And when you do it, so click on login or maybe create new account and follow on the on-screen prompt, and you'll have successfully switched account on Instagram. Likewise, if you want to go back to the main account, you have to do the same thing. Click that out and here you go. This is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.